So it rained last night. Window did not leak, so that's good. But we did get a little bit of water in the corner, so I'm gonna have to address that. So you can see where the trailer frame is, but so I couldn't come all the way with it, so I had to split it into two pieces. But yeah, same on the back there. I just butted up as close as I can get it to it. I mean, I did leave the other black plastic down. We're gonna wait to put that piece in, obviously, until I get that water done. I had to order more butyl tape, so when that comes in later this week, then I'll get that corner fixed. So if you look at the outside, you can see where it's clearly leaking at. So what I might do in the meantime, just to stop it from leaking inside, is just put a little bit of sealer on it, just until I get the tape in and I can redo all of this. Also ordered the new track that goes inside, where these screws are actually through. Not the metal track, but the little rubber piece that goes on the outside. All right, so basically all you want to do is you want to line your piece up where it's flush with the top, and then you want to drill a pilot hole, and you want to stagger them. You want to stagger them so that you can drill a screw in this way and a screw in this way for this one. I drill one hole, get one screw in just to hold the piece in place. So for this side, we're going to do something a little bit different. Reason being is this piece is a little bit bowed. It's a little bit like twisted. So I've made this piece just a little bit longer so that whenever we smack it in, it'll actually straighten this, hopefully straighten this board up at least a little bit. And arguably you could put a piece here in the middle all the way down, because as you can see the way they did these are supposed to be a little bit closer together, but the other ones, those are closer together or more evenly spaced than this side is. So you could add one, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to add the cross pieces. The reason why we're putting these in is because for a little extra support for the flooring here, on that side you have the trailer frame, then you also have trailer frame here. Just a pretty wide gap in between the two, so I just want to have a little bit of extra support for the flooring. I'm probably going to do more on the back here because this is where the bathroom is going to be. So for putting these in and putting the subfloor down, I'm just using these 2-inch decking screws. They are exterior screws, but they work really well. So it's been 2 days since I worked on the build last. And in the last clip, we added these. Also added a little bit of extra structure here, just because, as you can tell, the wood is almost gone. So today, I want to try and finish up and then move on to the floor. But first we're going to work on getting these lag bolts out. So I got this put in. Now I'm going to move on to putting in the insulation. Again, I am going to leave this side out just because I did have some water coming in that corner over there. Until I can get that fixed, I don't want to put any insulation in it just in case, because, you know, water and insulation don't mix very well. Take 3. So looking at it from the outside, we can clearly tell why the f do I keep saying that?